Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. Before we jump into this video, I want to remind you guys, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 4 days. All you have to do for a chance to win is subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period, give away $500 in Bitcoin, free money. Let's go. Bitcoin has not been looking amazing. You've got a 12-hour death cross about to be confirmed. You haven't had one of these for Bitcoin in an extended period of time. We talked about Bitcoin being in a downtrend. I mean, so what you're looking at when you're holding anything that's in a downtrend is you're losing money, right? You might get short-term bounce, and until this thing breaks out and something changes, holding Bitcoin right now equates to losses. Now, there's a valid idea that you could get a bounce here and move higher. But, I mean, again, unless you get some major trend change, Bitcoin is in a downtrend. Very important that the bulls show up and hold this $45,000 support level. Okay, if not, you're looking at 40,000, 37,000, 34,000, 30,000. I mean, if you get a break to the downside of a falling wedge or falling channel, I mean, you get parabolic drop. And measured move target down here, 28,000. Now, you do have the RSI close to oversold. Okay, so you can see the last time the RSI was close to oversold. You had this, well, it started here and then it rolled over, right? And then you got this situation where you got to move to the upside. So you had this situation just here, right, where you had this pullback and it rolled over. You know, so the question is, are we here? Are we ready for this move higher? Right now, there's a tremendous amount of fear in the market. People are super fearful. Obviously, you want to buy fear, but the question is, will we see some type of max pain situation where you get a break to the downside and it causes retail, it causes a lot of capitulation, and then institutions come in and buy it up, right? And so let's zoom into 4-hour time frame, just kind of take another look at it. And again, and I added these other trend lines as possibles. And so you just have to, again, the stronger support could hold. This support level didn't, broke below here at some stronger support. But again, there's still room for some downside. What you want to see here for reversal ideas, you have it building, right? You have some bullish divergence building, right? But you need a bounce and confirmation for it to happen. Otherwise, you know, possibly you get a move lower and then a bounce. It's all about to happen. We're looking for a move over the next 24 to 36 hours. It's going to set the tone for the entire week for Bitcoin. Okay. Right now, you've got oversold conditions. You had this oversold bounce, but then now you've got a possible bearish retest. And this, you're looking for downside continuation based on this idea, and so right now you're in this falling wedge, which I mean, 68% chance this breaks higher, but you don't really have the bullish divergence to give you an idea that it does so immediately. So could we see another drive down? And again, downside break here would be very, very bearish, and you're looking for, you know, $42,000, $40,000 Bitcoin. So all eyes are on Bitcoin right now. These altcoins, one thing you can count on, and where your money is going to be made, and a very good profitable strategy, is buying these oversold bounces for these altcoins, because they're going to bounce back quickly, right? Part of altcoin season is Bitcoin not performing well and people start looking at the altcoins. Ethereum has cooled off and looking for money to kind of start flowing into the other altcoins, and I'll build that case with you in just a second. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. The biggest thing, guys, I have to emphasize here is, imagine you're playing American football, right? But your team doesn't play defense. Like, you're not going to win. You're not going to win. If you don't have a defensive strategy in this market, you're not going to win. You're not going to make the most of it, right? And so part of my trading group is creating a defensive strategy. Stop losses, take profits, buying oversold bounces, right? Just not getting tossed around by this market. And so when you're ready to take things to the next level, I can teach you this stuff. This person, shout out to him. I joined VIP last week. I was weary at first. Since then, I learned everything. I was struggling. I've doubled my money. This group is cheap. It's way underpriced. This person said, thanks for creating this community. You provide Harvard education in trading crypto for the price of ITT Tech. That's what I'm telling you guys. Like, this stuff will change your life, period. It changed mine. And I can show you, it changed this person's. She cashed out $1.4 million so far, and she has another $1.4 million still invested. She's up about 22x to date, life-changing money. This person up several $1,000s on ADA. We've been killing it. ADA has been the outlier, like ETH was previously. And that's right now essentially what we're looking for, is the coins that are doing their own thing, that are not tied to Bitcoin, that are strong versus Bitcoin. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. We have to make it count. Like, you don't want to be taking a bunch of losses when this market's pulling back. And then you want to know and understand how to put your money back in the market and how to take advantage of these buying opportunities, because we have amazing buying opportunities in front of us for these altcoins. I'm going to keep you guys updated daily. I'm going to keep you guys in the best and most profitable trading setups, period. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with crypto for 6 months or 12 months right now, it's 50% off. Bakkt, BUSD, do you guys remember this? YouTube, here we are. 15,579 people saw this. Look for the retest. The strongest group of buyers sitting right here. What happened? Boom, 41% gains. Perfect retest. 41% out of Bakkt. Killed it. I mean, think about all the gas fees, all the ridiculous fees that Ethereum's dealing with right now. It's easy for Bakkt to shine, right? It makes more sense, more feasible for as far as the use case go. Yesterday, YouTube. I talked to you guys in detail about how these Binance IEOs are going to run. They're going to run together, right? The herd looks for any idea of what could be pumping next, and then they start buying it, right? And so we had this list of all the IEOs, and we talked about how some of these older ones will pump together. And sure enough, here you go. One, which is Harmony, right? Harmony right here. See this? One. Up 30%. Gifto right here, up 23%. CELR up 21%. FET up 17%. They're all pumping together. We nailed GTO. Boom, 27% profits. Huge. Just keep locking in these profits and rolling it over to the next trade. That's what this is about. I'm in a lot of Tether most of the time, because when Bitcoin's trending lower, I don't want to be holding a bunch of Bitcoin, right? I mean, over time, it just equates to losses. I'll talk to you guys about Ethereum. Assume that this price action continues lower. You've got to understand the importance of the significance of a lower high and a lower low. I mean, this was what tipped me off on the Bitcoin pullback previously, right? This lower low and then lower high.
This is super bearish because it means, I mean, essentially this is a confirmed downtrend now. ETH, same thing. Lower low, lower high, and I'm looking for this next drive to the downside. You have to assume it's going to continue lower until it breaks out. ETH, boom, got the move we were looking for to the downside, right? And now what Ethereum needs to do is put in some type of double bottom down here and then look for a move to this upper trend line. But if it doesn't break out right here, then essentially Ethereum could have some more downside. Right? Ethereum has done amazing things. Ethereum has had an amazing run. When Ethereum starts to cool off, which it has obviously, and Bitcoin slows down, these other altcoins are going to fire off, and that's where we're going to make our money. Listen, do not get stressed out about these pullbacks. You've taken losses. People taking losses in this market. Well, you know what? We're going to make it back. That's what we do, right? You got a strategy in place now. It's a lot harder to make your money back if you're riding these downtrends, right? Because you're bleeding. IOTA has started to make its move, broke out of this bull pennant idea. XRP printing a bull pennant. XRP looking for $1.70, $1.90, $2.10, $2.30, $2.54, $2.80. XRP's had a pullback along with Bitcoin. However, like, will this be the next ADA? Will this be the next coin that's real strong versus Bitcoin pullbacks? GTO, Binance's IEOs have been pumping, and I just talked to you about this, how we nailed this trade in the group, and another idea for you would be the retest, right? As soon as Bitcoin, Asia's waking up. We just had a daily and weekly candle close. Is Asia going to wake up bullish, right? And if so, they potentially buy this retest, and you get continuation to the upside. Nice double bottom possible here. Like these Binance IEOs, like pump phenomenon, it's crazy. Once it gets going, you'll see what I'm talking about. AVAX is another one to keep an eye on. Again, this is a USDT pair, so it's tied to Bitcoin. However, you can see like it hasn't pulled back dramatically. It's been a stronger coin, right? And so again, look for this breakout. I mean, you've got $43, $48, $52, $56 AVAX in the cards. Litecoin's another one where it hasn't, like it's for so long. Litecoin's basically done nothing, and it's due, right? And you've got this falling wedge is running out of room. Okay, so will this be, now that Ethereum's kind of cooled off, will Litecoin fire up? Okay, I mean it's definitely going to be good if the bulls can put in some type of bounce situation, hold this level. All these altcoins will fire back off again. Okay. But again, Litecoin's running out of room, looking for 68% chance this breaks to the upside, and this parabolic curve is building. I think if over the next month, I think Litecoin could see 100% gains over the next month. I mean, it's still a large cap, right? It's not going to move like some of the smaller caps and mid caps will, but Litecoin's on about every exchange you can imagine, and it's cheap to send. And you can buy it via PayPal. So here's the triangle. And if we look at the previous move we got out of Litecoin after the breakout, you got a 40% run up, right? So I mean, potentially even a 40% run up for Litecoin versus Bitcoin. But to get this started, you need a breakout of this triangle. So keep an eye on Litecoin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.